The Boeing 787 Dreamliner is an American wide-body jet airliner developed and manufactured by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. After dropping its unconventional Sonic Cruiser project, Boeing announced the conventional 787 on 29 January 2003, which focused largely on efficiency. The program was launched on 26 April 2004. The plane at the forefront of this revolution? The 787 Dreamliner. A $30 billion bet on the future of the airline industry. 1. Boeing sat at the poker table and pushed all their chips forward. An all-in bet on a radical new future, and it paid off. The 787 revolutionized not only how the airline industry operates, but how future planes will be designed and built. This is the breakdown of the 787's materials. By weight, 55% of the 787 is made from composite materials, like carbon fiber reinforced plastics, making it the first commercial airliner made primarily from this new age material. Composite materials help reduce drag in other ways. One of my favorite things about the 787 is its extremely thin and elegant wings. The main structural member of a wing is the wing spar. Its primary role is to resist the upwards bending forces during flight. It's essentially just an I-beam, a shape optimized to resist bending loads. The initial 186-foot-long, 57-meter, 787-8 typically seats 242 passengers over a range of 7,355 nautical miles, 13,621 kilometers, 8,464 miles, with a 502,500 pounds, 227.9 t MTOW compared to 560,000 pounds, 250 t for later variants. The stretched 787-9, 206 feet, 63 meter, long, can fly 7,635 nautical miles, 14,140 kilometers, 8,786 miles, with 290 passengers. It entered service on 7 August 2014 with ANA. The further stretched 787-10, 224 feet, 68 meter, long, seating 330 over 6,430 nautical miles, 11,910 kilometers, 7,400 miles, entered service with Singapore Airlines on 3 April 2018. The total available on-board electrical power is 1.45 megawatts, which is 5 times the power available on conventional pneumatic airliners. The most notable electrically powered systems include engine start, cabin pressurization, horizontal stabilizer trim, and wheel brakes. Wing ice protection is another new system. It uses electrothermal heater mats on the wing slats instead of traditional hot bleed air. An active gust alleviation system, similar to the system used on the B-2 bomber, improves ride quality during turbulence. Turbulent flow is far more common, but still very little is known about how to predict its behavior. It is very difficult to control because of the formation of small vortices called eddies in the flow, making the flow highly erratic. Turbulent flow occurs at higher flow velocities and causes a significant increase in drag. At cruising speeds of 80 to 85% of the speed of sound, turbulent flow is ultimately unavoidable, but we can work to minimize it. Boeing has developed a technology that helps them delay and control the formation of turbulent flow called hybrid laminar flow control. Details on their implementation of the technology are sparse. Cabin interior width is approximately 18 feet, 550 centimeters, at armrest level. The Dreamliner's cabin width is 15 inches, 38 centimeters, more than that of the Airbus A330 and A345 inches less than the A350 and 16 in 41 centimeters less than the 777. The 787's economy seats can be up to 17.5 in 44.4 centimeters wide for 9 abreast seating and up to 19 inches 48 centimeters wide for 8 abreast seating arrangements. Most airlines are selecting the 9 abreast 3-3-3 configuration. The 787's 9 abreast seating for economy provides passengers less space, particularly across the hips and shoulders, than any other jet airliner. Some observers recommended passengers avoid flying 787s with 9 abreast seating, although others suggested that the 787 is more comfortable than other airliners. Engines. The 787 is powered by 2 engines, which use all-electrical bleedless systems taken from the Sonic Cruiser, eliminating the superheated air conduits normally used for aircraft power, de-icing, and other functions. As part of its Quiet Technology Demonstrator 2 project, Boeing adopted several engine noise-reducing technologies for the 787. These include an air inlet containing sound-absorbing materials and exhaust duct cover with a chevron-toothed pattern on the rim for a quieter mixing of exhaust and outside air. Boeing expects these developments to make the 787 significantly quieter both inside and out. The noise-reducing measures prevent sounds above 85 decibels from leaving airport boundaries. The 2 different engine models compatible with the 787 use a standard electrical interface to allow an aircraft to be fitted with either Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 or General Electric GNX-1B engines. This interchangeability aims to save time and cost when changing engine types. While previous aircraft could exchange engines for those of a different manufacturer, the high cost and time required made it rare. In 2006, Boeing addressed reports of an extended change period by stating that the 787 engine swap was intended to take 24 hours. In 2016, Rolls-Royce began flight testing its new Trent 1010 engine. It has a new compressor system based on the compressor in Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engine and a new turbine design for extra thrust up to 78,000 lbf, 350 kN. Rolls-Royce plans to offer the 10 on the 787 to 8, 9 and 10.290 in early 2020. Of 1484 orders, 905 selected GE, 61.0%, 476 selected RR, 32.1%, and 103 were undecided, 6.90%. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.